ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವ ಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಕ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ, ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. Suta Maharshi explaining to Saunaka and other rishis that, O Maharshis, when Krishna Paramatma was getting ready to go back to his kingdom, Kunti Devi is praying and Kunti Devi saying that, Krishna, I always recall, I always remember one incident from your childhood. Krishna, when one of those days, Gopyadade Tvayi Krutagasi Damatavat, when you did something wrong, Yasodamma felt that you did something wrong and she wanted to tie you with the rope. At that time, you started crying with so much of fear. Asru Kalila Anjana Sambhramaksham. When you are moving to tears, those tears are rolling down from your eyes and passing through your cheeks. At that time, all your eyeliner got completely spreaded all over your face. Vaktram Niniya Bhayabhavanaya. You started pretending extreme amount of fear. That fear is expressed from your eyes. That fear is expressed from your cheeks. That fear is expressed from your throat. Everything is shaking. At that time, that kind of scene, I still see that. I still recall that. I still have complete vision about that scene. Oh Krishna, Bhirapi yet bibheti. Even the fear gets feared from you. The fear also gets scared from you. Such is your effulgence, oh Krishna. But you have pretended a great amount of fear in front of your mother Yasoda. Krishna, like that there are so many miraculous activities you have shown. You came down in this form, Krishna, being a Srimannarayana, being a supreme. You came down like this in different ways. You have born as a Krishna. People thinks that you born as Krishna to establish Yaduvamsam, to take care of Yaduvamsam. Some people thinks that you born as Sri Krishna Paramatma to take care of all the sadhu purushas. Some people thinks that you born as Krishna to kill, to remove all the dirt and contamination and all the bad. Some people thinks that you came down as Krishna to release all the heavy bad weight on this earth, bhubharam, to decrease the bhubharam. Some people think that you born as Sri Krishna only to give a hand for all those who are getting tortured in the clutches of birth and death and release them from this clutch. Oh Krishna, some people thinks that you came down only to show all your activities, miraculous activities, so that all the sadhu purushas can constantly contemplate on your kalyana gunas and divya chestitams, all the actions, all the activities. There are so many people contemplates, there are so many people thinks that in different ways, as and how you born, why you born, the people approaches you in different ways. But Krishna, whoever listens to your great Kalyana Gunas, whoever listens to your all the stories, all the activities, Shrunvanti, Gayanti, Grunanti, Abhikshnasaha, Smaranti, Nandanti, Tavehitam Janaha, Tayeva Pasyanti. Only those who are constantly, continuously learning and listening and contemplating and meditating and singing and enjoying your Kalyana Gunas and your activities, your miraculous activities, only they are going to be able to realize yourself. Only they are enough fortunate to see your divine Sri Charana-Ravindas. Like this, Kunti Devi praising the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.